In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for your block list in contacts on your iPhone. So basically what you want to do, you can't actually go through your contacts and look at your block list. What you have to do is go through the phone settings in your settings and go to the phone app. So what we can do here is go to your settings and then scroll down. If you have the new iOS system, all of your apps will actually just be in this menu at the very bottom. So go to apps. And then just to make it easy, I'm just going to type in phone. Once you're here, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll find a section where it says blocked contacts. And then you'll just have all of these contacts if you have anyone blocked. And it's that simple. It's real easy to go through, find your block list on your contacts and do what you want with them. If you want to unblock them, if you just want to see who you have on there. Very simple. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.